lesson. I want to make sure that you master
What
this.
was first week?
Do you remember the sequence?
Yes.
Okay, good. I will test later. What are the 4 magic words that I shared to you last week? Okay, opposition. Opposition. Tempo. Check. And defense. See? You remember this, but later, resign for your opponent because your opponent will be checkmated. Yeah? Not the other way around. So now this time, if we're playing first as black, what to do? Give me the move. Okay, move to D5, check, go up. What's the next thing? Defense. What's the defense here? King E4. Okay, defending the rook. At the same time, you're taking opposition. If the king goes to the side, opposition. Very good. Facing the king. If the king goes back, very good. He's on tempo. Just go backward. Waiting move. If the king goes back, you have to check.